Hey, nice to meet you. Today, I am sharing the lesson about addition of number block. 19. I have a block 6. I have a equal 25. 12. I have a block 4. I have a equal 16. 19. I have a block 15. I have a equal 34. 8. I have a block 7. I have a equal 15. 3. I have a block 7. I have a equal 10. 2. I have a block 20. I have a equal 22. 13. I have a block 18. I have a equal 31. 20. I have a block 1. I have a equal 21. 13. I have a block 14. I have a equal 27. 5. I have a block 18. I have a equal 23. 2. I have a block 13. I have a equal 15. 13. I have a block 14. I have a equal 27. 3. I have a block 6. I have a equal 9. 10. I have a block 3. I have a equal 13. 12. I have a block 3. I have a equal 15. 19. I have a block 19. I have a equal 38. 8. I have a block 10. I have a equal 18. 18. I have a block 13. I have a equal 31. 3. I have a block 7. I have a equal 10. Today I very like learning the lesson today. Now see you again. Sorry. Now we are continue with lesson 12. I have a block 6. I have a equal 18, 19. I have a blood 1. I have a equal 20. 10. I have a blood 10. I have a equal 20. 18. I have a blood 6. I have a equal 24. 13. I have a blood 13. I have a equal 26. 19. I have a blood 19. I have a equal 38. 2. I have a blood 6. I have a equal 8. 6. I have a blood 1. I have a equal 7. 17. I have a blood 9. I have a equal 26. 10. I have a blood 5. I have a equal 15. 15. I have a blood 10. I have a equal 25. 14. I have a blood 16. I have a equal 30. 9. I have a blood 1. I have a equal 10. 17. I have a blood 7. I have a equal 24. 5. I have a blood 5. I have a equal 10. 7. I have a blood 19. I have a equal 26. 13. I have a blood 17. I have a equal 30. 12. I have a blood 19. I have a equal 31. Thank you for listening to me. See you again in the next lesson.